Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to insert your page number and have it start on a specific page. I've recently done a video on how to add a page number to Microsoft Word, but then the default settings is once you select add page number from here, from the insert menu, you come to page numbers. If you select on the type of page numbering that you want, for example, we'll go with the bottom page number. Once you click on this, it's going to take in the page numbering directly from the beginning of the page. So maybe page 1, page 2, page 3, starting from the beginning and all. And some people are not so comfortable with having the page numbering starting at the beginning. So maybe there can be some pages, maybe this is the introductory page, this is the table of content, and these pages don't need to be numbered. So we want the numbering to start at page 3. So what we need to do is to come over to the page where we want the numbering to start, and we just click on it, and then we just come to the layout over here. Then we come to breaks, we just click on this, and then we select on this next page. Okay, so this is going to insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So we just click on this, and we can see it has separated our document, the introductory page as well as the table of content, with just a blank page, and then starting the normal page on this. What we need to do is to come to insert over here, and we come all the way to page numbers, and we can insert the page numbering type that we want. For example, I want my own to be at the bottom of the page. We click on this and we select the bottom of the page. Unfortunately, right now you can see it's starting at page 4. So all you need to do next is to come to the page numbering over here. You click on it, you come to format page numbers, and you can say start at page 1. Start at 1, and this is the numbering style that you want, 1 2 3. You can change that, you can reformat it to Roman numerals or different kind of numbering, page numbering styles accordingly. And once I'm done starting at 1, I click on OK, and you can see it starts at page 1. The next thing you need to do is this link to previous is what it means is the numbering is linked to the previous pages, so you can just click to uncheck it, so which means they are not linked at this moment. So you can come down over here and just delete, click on the previous ones and delete. Okay, you can see everything is now deleted without page numbering, and then you can hit out to see your page numbers. So let's have a preview of it. So you can see page 1, page 2, the page the table of content has no page numbers, even this empty page has no page numbers, and you can see it starts on page 1. Okay, this is page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4, and all that you can see continuously to the end. So you can have a preview of it also. Maybe let's have a print preview of it. So this is page 1, this is page 2, this is page 3, starting from the first page. Okay, so you can see it over here. So this is basically how to start your page numbering on a fresh number on a specific page, and then continuously to the end. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, or if you learned anything from this, please kindly remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.